Maxim 68. How can he hear those organs of audition has been created dull? And how can he avoid progressing upon whom the noose of happiness has been flung? To the friends of God, a dark night shines like the brilliant day. His felicity is not by strength of arm, unless God, the giver, bestows it. To whom shall I complain of thee? There is no other judge, and there is no other hand superior to thine. Whom thou guidest, no one can lead astray. Whom thou castest off, no one can guide. Now, I'm recording this during Muharram, and it's better that this stuff is at night before going to bed, or at least in the evening between the evening and the dusk burns. Because wouldn't that be the more meritorious time to do this stuff, if it's something to do at all, as an extra, of course. And I don't mean that everything being done is